A very lovely good morning to all my dear little children. Children, your half-yearly course has been completed. Now we will start revision. Okay? So children, when revision will be completed, I will take oral test also. So start learning all the chapters. Okay? Today we will cover the chapter from pages 1 to 6, which comes in the section of My Country. So before proceeding to all the questions, let's know about our country. So, the name of our country is India. And do you know India is called by three different names: India, Bharat, and Hindustan. And India is the seventh largest country in the world. India has the largest number of post offices in the world. And India's railways network is one of the biggest network of the world. Millions of people work here. And children in India, many different religions of people live here, and different type of languages are spoken here. And India has given freedom to each and every religion to talk to the God as they want, to follow their religion. It has given the freedom to follow their religion, to follow their culture, to follow their customs. So children, feel proud of your country. Okay? Now, let's proceed further. First, we will do a little discussion on this personality, great personality, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. The name of this greatest personality is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Who was this Radhakrishnan? He was India's first vice president of independent India. When India got its independence, the first vice president was Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan and second president of India. And afterward he became president also, and he was the second president of India. Now children, why we are discussing about him? We are discussing about him because on Saturday we celebrated our Teachers' Day. So why we celebrated Teachers' Day? Because on this day, this Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan has birthday. His birthday is celebrated on 5th September. And do you know, he was the great teacher of its time. Great teacher, great leader. And his students loved him very, very much. But he told his students, don't celebrate my birthday. Celebrate it as Teachers' Day. So, we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September every year. But do you know one more thing? World's Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of October. But we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September just because of this great leader, great teacher. Okay? Remember, always remember this. Let's come back to our topic, my country. First, we will discuss about national symbols. Okay? So, what are the national symbols of India? Every country has their own national symbols. We also have national symbols. But first is national flag. So, our national flag is known as tricolor or Tiranga. Why? Because it has three different colors: saffron, white, and green. In between, you can see there is a wheel which is called Ashok Chakra, which has been adapted from Ashok Chakra, and there is, you can see in the wheel there are lines. These are called spokes, and these spokes are in 24 in numbers. Okay, they are 24 in numbers. Next is national emblem. This is national emblem, and its motto is Satya Mev Jayate. Truth, never triumph. So you can see here you can see three lions, but there are four lions One we cannot see. It is on the back side. These four lines, and they are most. Their faces are towards all four direction. North, south, east, west. They are facing towards all four direction. Okay. So its motto is Satyamev Jayate. सत्य की हमेशा जीत होती है. इसका the meaning of this is this. Now, next is lotus. Lotus is our national flower. Mango. Mango is our national fruit. Tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Peacock. Peacock is national bird. Banyan tree, which is called Bargat ka ped. This is national tree. And our national game, hockey. Hockey is our national game. Okay, so children, learn all the names of national symbols, because as an Indian, you should know all these. Okay. Now, we will come towards the questions. First, we will come to the basic questions, which you all should know. Who is the President of India? Do you know President is the first citizen of India? President is first citizen of India. And who is the second citizen of India? Second citizen is Vice President. And who is the third citizen? Third citizen is Prime Minister. So first citizen is President, second citizen is Vice President, and third citizen is Prime Minister. So here you can see the picture of Mr. President. Who is the President of India? Mr. Ramnath Kovind is the President of India. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Here is the picture. You all know. Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi is the Prime Minister of India. And children, you all live in the state Uttar Pradesh. In India, there are different states. At least 29 states are there, and all together they make one country whose name is India. And India name is derived from the river Indus. Okay, which fall river Indus. Who is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? You all know. Mr. Yogi Adityanath is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Now, name the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Every state has their own capital, and every country has their own capital. So, India's capital is New Delhi. Now, what is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? Lucknow. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Now, this is very easy. Which is the holiest river of India? You can easily recognize it by picture also. Which is the holiest river of India? Ganga. Ganga is the holiest river of India. So, you all learn these questions. Now, once again, let's revise it. Who is the President of India? Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Who is the President of India? Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Who is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? Mr. Yogi Adityanath. Who is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? Mr. Yogi Adityanath. Name the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Lucknow. Name the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Lucknow. Which is the holiest river of India? Ganga. Which is the holiest river of India? Ganga. Now, celebrated on 5th September, it is a day to honor teachers and educators. Just have a look on the picture. You all know the answer. This day is Teachers' Day. This day is Teachers' Day, and we all celebrated it on Saturday. Saturday was 5th September. And why we celebrate Teachers' Day? We all know. It is celebrated because of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Okay, he said, celebrate this day as Teacher's Day. Don't celebrate it as my birthday. He was a great teacher. So, to honor him, we celebrate 5th September as Teacher's Day. Now, it is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi was born on this day. So, you all can recognize it by looking at the picture. It is Gandhi Jayanti. Children, Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd of October. But do you know, on this day, two personalities were born. One was Mahatma Gandhi and one was our former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri also celebrate his birthday on 2nd October. Now next, name the first Indian in space. This man was the first Indian who went to the space. So, what is his name? His name is Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian who went to space. Name the first woman IPS officer of India. IPS, Indian Police Service. This lady was the first woman IPS officer of India, and after this lady, many women have joined this service. So, what is her name? Her name is Kiran Bedi. Now, which popular Indian monument is built by Shah Jahan? You all must have recognized this picture. Taj Mahal. This monument is Taj Mahal, and Shah Jahan was Mughal emperor, and he built this monument for his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. Let's once again revise these questions. Celebrated on 5th September, it is a day to honor teachers and educators. Teachers' Day. It is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi was born on this day. Gandhi Jayanti. Name the first Indian in space. Rakesh Sharma. Name the first woman IPS officer of India. Kiran Bedi. Which popular Indian monument is built by Shah Jahan? Taj Mahal. And do you know, Taj Mahal is one of the wonders of the world. It comes in the one of the 7 wonders of the world. Now, I already told you that in India, every religion has got freedom to talk to God as they want. So, here it is about Sikh religions. Sikh. Name the religious place of Sikhs situated in Amritsar. So, every religion has their own religious place. Sikhs go to Gurudwara. So, this picture is of Gurudwara. And where it is situated? It is situated in Amritsar, Punjab. So, what is the name of this Gurudwara? Golden Temple. The name of this Gurudwara is Golden Temple. I was born in Punjab, province of India. I visited the site of Jallianwala Bagh massacre hours after the incident. My aim in life was to free my country. Identify this freedom fighter. This freedom fighter. Who is this freedom fighter? Children, Britishers hanged him to death, and he inspired many youth of his time. And today also we remember this great freedom fighter. He died very young, at a very young age. His name is Bhagat Singh, and Bhagat Singh is the inspiration to all the youngsters of India, all the youth of India. Next, in which state do you live? Yes, in which state do you live? I already told you about before. Uttar Pradesh. We live in Uttar Pradesh. I joined the freedom struggle when I was 15 years old. I supported Gandhiji's non-cooperation movement and was popularly known as Azad. Can you recognize? The name of this freedom fighter is Chandra Shekhar Azad. Chandra Shekhar Azad. Which is the youngest state of India? Telangana. Telangana is the youngest state of India. It has been formed not some years before. Which is the youngest state of India? Telangana. Let's revise these questions once again. Name the religious place of Sikhs situated in Amritsar, Golden Temple. I was born in Punjab province of British India. I visited the site of Jallianwala Bagh massacre hours after the incident. My aim in life was to free my country. Identify this freedom fighter. Bhagat Singh. In which state do you live? Uttar Pradesh. I joined the freedom struggle when I was 15 years old. So, this man was only 15 years old when he joined the freedom struggle. Just think, I supported Gandhiji's non-cooperation movement and was popularly known as Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad. Which is the youngest state of India? Telangana. Now, what are the names of four directions? Yes, children, what is the name of four directions? North, South, East, West. North, South, East, West. In North we have Kashmir, in South we have Tamil Nadu, in East we have Assam, in West we have Gujarat. So, what are the names of four directions? North, South, East, West. Which state lies in the West? Yes, Gujarat. Which state lies in the West? Gujarat. Gujarat lies in the West. Okay, which neighboring country lies in the South? Which neighboring country? Neighboring country, do you know? We have neighboring countries. Pakistan, Afghanistan, many are China, Nepal, they all are neighboring countries. So which neighboring country lies in the south? Sri Lanka. Which neighboring country lies in the south? Sri Lanka. Now, here is the answer of neighboring countries. India's answer of this question you will find here. India shares its border with how many countries? This means how many neighboring countries we have. So, India shares its border with 8 countries. India shares its border with 8 countries. Bangladesh, China, Pakistan, Bhutan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Myanmar and sea border with Sri Lanka. So these are our neighboring countries. You can look at the map also. Here is Pakistan, here is Afghanistan. How Afghanistan? From the top of Jammu and Kashmir, from the top here, Afghanistan border is joined. Here on top, you can find on topmost Afghanistan's border is joined here. So Afghanistan, Pakistan. Here is China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar and the sea border is with Sri Lanka. So how many countries? 8 countries. You can count in the map also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 countries. So India shares its borders with how many countries? 8 countries. Bangladesh, China, Pakistan, Bhutan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Myanmar and sea border with Sri Lanka. Okay. Now, how many countries celebrate their Independence Day on the same day as India? This is very interesting question. How many countries celebrate their Independence Day on the same day as India? 5 countries. How many countries? 5 countries. It is Congo, North Korea, South Korea, Bahrain and one more. How many countries celebrate their Independence Day on the same day as India? 5 countries. Let's revise all the questions once again. What are the names of 4 directions? North, South, East, West. These are the names of 4 directions. North, Kashmir, South, Tamil Nadu, East, Assam, West, Gujarat. Which state lies in the west? Gujarat. Which neighboring country lies in the south? Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is in the south. India shares its border with how many countries? 8 countries. Bangladesh, China, Pakistan, Bhutan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Myanmar and sea border with Sri Lanka. How many countries celebrate their Independence Day on the same day as India? 5 countries. Now, who was the first President of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first President of India. He was elected as the first President after independence of India. He was the first President of independent India. Okay, he was the first President of independent India. And Dr. Sarve Radhapalli Krishnan was the first Vice President of independent India. Okay, now you got it. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first President of independent India and Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was the first Vice President of the independent India. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Look at the picture. Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru. And do you know his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day, which will come on November. Okay, I already told you, first citizen of India is Mr. President, second citizen of India is Mr. Vice President and the third citizen of India is Mr. Prime Minister. Now let's move forward. Who was the first woman President of India? One and only woman till now. What is her name? Mrs. Pratibha Patil. Mrs. Pratibha Patil is the first woman President of India. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Mrs. Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India, one and only till now. Who wrote India's national anthem? Jan Gan Man. You all sing Jan Gan Man every day in the school? Okay? When wherever you are, when you listen this national anthem, stand straight to pay respect to your country with your hand high. So who wrote? Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore wrote National Anthem of India. Once again, who was the first President of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first President of India. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India? Who was the first woman President of India? Mrs. Pratibha Patil was the first woman President of India. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Mrs. Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Who wrote India's national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore wrote India's national anthem. Now children, learn all the questions which I have taught you today, okay? And prepare every chapter for your oral test. After revision, I will take the oral test also and learn all the questions, okay? Take care. Bye-bye. We will meet in next class.